Space is the final frontier, a place so vast, mysterious, and beautiful that even after centuries of study, humanity has barely scratched its surface. In this video, we will explore 10 fascinating facts about space, from black holes to distant galaxies, that will change the way you see the universe. Fact 1. Space is completely silent. There's no sound in space. Sound needs a medium, like air, water, or solid matter to travel. Space is almost a perfect vacuum, which means there are almost no particles to carry sound waves. If you were floating in space without a radio or communication system, you would not hear anything, not even an explosion right next to you. Astronauts communicate using radios, which convert sound into electromagnetic waves that can travel through space. Instruments like the Chandra X-ray Observatory can convert electromagnetic vibrations and radio waves into sound data, creating eerie space music. NASA has released audio files of these cosmic sounds, a symphony of black holes, stars, and nebulae.
Fact 2. The universe is still expanding. The universe began about 13.8 billion years ago with the Big Bang, creating space, time, and all matter. The universe is still expanding. In the 1920s, Edwin Hubble discovered that galaxies move away from each other, and the farther they are, the faster they move. This expansion is measured using redshift. Light from distant galaxies stretches into longer, redder wavelengths as the universe expands. Expansion is accelerating due to a mysterious force called dark energy, which makes up about 68% of the universe.
Fact 3. Black holes are not empty. Black holes are often imagined as empty voids, but they are actually incredibly dense objects with gravity so strong that not even light can escape. They form when massive stars collapse under their own gravity. At the center is the singularity, a point of infinite density. Around it is the event horizon, the point of no return. Anything crossing this boundary is trapped forever. Black holes can grow by absorbing gas, dust, and even other stars.
Fact 4. Neutron stars are ultra-dense. Neutron stars are the remnants of supernova explosions. They pack the mass of the sun into a sphere only about 20 kilometers across. A teaspoon of neutron star material would weigh around 1 billion tons on Earth. Some neutron stars spin incredibly fast, hundreds of times per second, creating pulsars that emit beams of radiation like cosmic lighthouses.
Fact 5. Exoplanets are everywhere. An exoplanet is a planet that orbits a star outside our solar system. Thousands of exoplanets have been discovered, many with conditions unlike anything on Earth. Some are gas giants, others rocky worlds, and a few may lie in the habitable zone, where liquid water could exist. Studying exoplanets helps scientists understand planetary formation and the potential for life beyond Earth.
Fact 6. Dark matter and dark energy. Visible matter, stars, planets, gas, makes up only about 5% of the universe. The rest is dark matter and dark energy. Dark matter exerts gravitational pull but does not emit light. Dark energy drives the accelerated expansion of the universe. These components are invisible and mysterious, making them one of the greatest puzzles in modern astrophysics.
Fact 7. Time works differently in space. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, time is affected by gravity and speed. Near a massive object like a black hole, time slows down compared to areas with weaker gravity. This means astronauts in space experience time slightly differently than people on Earth. Although the effect is tiny on the International Space Station, it becomes extreme near dense objects like black holes.
Fact 8. Distances in space are colossal. Distances in space are measured in light years, the distance light travels in 1 year, about 5.88 trillion miles or 9.46 trillion kilometers. The nearest star system, Alpha Centauri, is about 4.37 light years away. These enormous distances make interstellar travel extremely challenging. Even traveling at the speed of light, it would take years to reach nearby stars.
Fact 9. Some planets have extreme conditions. Planets can be wildly different from Earth. Venus has surface temperatures hot enough to melt lead. Neptune has winds over 1,200 miles per hour. On Jupiter and Saturn, scientists believe it rains diamonds due to extreme pressure. Such extreme conditions expand our understanding of what planets can be like and challenge the imagination.
Fact 10. The future of space exploration. Humanity's future in space includes missions to Mars, colonization possibilities, and advanced telescopes that will reveal the earliest galaxies. Private companies like SpaceX aim to make interplanetary travel possible, while scientists continue searching for signs of life beyond Earth. The universe is vast and mostly unexplored. Every discovery opens new questions and inspires generations to look up and wonder.
These 10 fun facts about space show just how strange, powerful, and mysterious the universe is. From silent voids to exploding stars, black holes, and planets with diamond rain, space challenges our imagination. Who knows what the next decades of exploration will reveal?